Hello students, hope you all are well and safe and doing your studies regularly. Hope everybody has completed exercise 12a. Today I am going to teach you operations on algebraic expression. Whenever we are doing any operation that is either addition or subtraction, then remember children, like terms can be added or subtracted. We have two ways of addition and subtraction. Addition can be done vertically as well as horizontally. Similarly, subtraction can also be done vertically and horizontally, but we can add or subtract only the like terms. Now we proceed with exercise 12b. Exercise 12b, question number 1, they are saying add. First we will do question number 1, second part. Question number 1, second part, the given terms are 5x square y minus 3x square y, half x square y and 4 by 5x square y. Firstly we check whether they are like terms or not. If we go through all the terms, then all the terms contain variable x square y. So these all terms are like terms. So we add. I am going to teach you how to add horizontally. So first thing that we are going to write is mathematical expression. That means we are going to show that we are adding all these like terms. So we are going to write all the terms and plus sign between all the terms. So we write 5x square y plus, as it is negative here, so we write it in the bracket minus 3x square y, then plus half x square y, and then plus 4 by 5 x square y. Now we find x square y is with all the terms, so we take out x square y as common factor. Now what we are left with, plus 5 here, plus minus is minus, minus 3, plus half, plus 4 by 5. We write x square y as it is. 5 minus 3 will give you 2, and 2 plus half will give you 2 and half. So what we are left with, 2 plus half plus 4 by 5. Okay children. Then 2 and 5 is in the denominator, so LCM will become 10. So we copy down x square y as it is and we take the 10 as LCM. Nothing is written in the denominator under 2, then it is 1. No need to write like this, but for explanation I have written a 1 here. 10 divided by 1 will give you 10. 10 into 2 will give you 20. 2 divide 10 5 times, so 5 into 1 will give you 5. 5 divide 10 2 times, 2 into 4 will give you 8. So what we are having here, 20 plus 8 will give you 28. 28 plus 5 will give you 33. So we get 33 by 10. Now we write a variable, that is x square y. As 33 by 10 is an improper fraction, so we convert into a mixed fraction. That becomes 3 whole 3 by 10 x square y. Hope everybody has understood the horizontal method. Remember, in horizontal method, we take the like term out and we write all the numerical coefficients together, and then we add or subtract according to the given question. Now we come to question number 2. Question number 2, they are saying subtract 7xy from 2xy. So I told you in the first chapter also, whenever we are subtracting, we need to write the order of the subtraction correctly. How we write the order? Firstly, whatever we have, the expression after the word from, we write that firstly, and then we write the term given after the word subtract. So first thing that we are going to do when we are solving the question, we write the mathematical expression according to the given question, and then we will solve it. So question number 2, I will solve fourth and the fifth bit for you. Question number 2, fourth part is given. Subtract minus 5xy square from minus 3xy square. As I told you, firstly we write the expression which is given after the word from. So we write after from we have minus 3xy square. So we write minus 3x square y firstly. Then we put the sign of subtraction. And what we are going to subtract, it is minus 5. So we keep this in the negative 1 in the bracket. 5xy square. As we are solving with the horizontal method, so we take the common factor out. So we have xy square common. We take it out. Now whatever it's left, we write that numerical coefficient inside the bracket. So we have minus 3 minus 5. Now we have xy square as it is. Minus 3. This minus and this minus will become plus. Minus is plus. So we write plus and 5. Minus 3 plus 5 will give you 2. As we always keep a sign of the number which has a greater numerical value, that is 5. So we write plus 2. So answer is 5 2xy square. Very important to write the mathematical expression correctly and then taking care of the sign. Now we proceed with question number 2, fifth part. They are saying subtract minus 3 by 7 x square y from 1 by 3 x square y. So whatever we have after the word from, first we write that. So what we write here, 1 by 3 x square y. Now as we are subtracting, so we put the sign of minus, and we are going to subtract minus 3 by 7. As 3 by 7 already have negative sign, so we keep that negative sign inside the bracket. So this is the first step, that we have written the mathematical expression correctly. Now we proceed further. Again we find x square y and x square y are the common factors. We take it out. Now what we are left with, 1 by 3, and this minus will become plus. So we write plus 3 by 7. Okay children, this way we add or subtract horizontally. Now we write further, 7 and 3 LCM is 21. So we copy down x square y as it is. 21 is the LCM. 3 divides 21 7 times. 7 into 1 will give you 7. 7 divide 21 3 times. 3 into 3 will give you 9. So what we are left with? X square y as it is. 9 plus 7 will give you 16. 16 by 21. As it is a proper fraction, so we leave the answer in a proper way, that is 16 upon 21 x square y. So this is the answer. Hope everybody has understood how to do addition and subtraction horizontally. Now we come to question number 3. Question number 3, they are saying add the following expressions. So we have to add the given expression. The expressions are separated by commas. So I do question number 3, 4 and the 6th part. Firstly, one part I'll do horizontally and the another part I'll do vertically. Whichever method you find more appropriate or easier, you can apply any one method. Now I've written question number 3, 4th part for you. These are the 3 given expression. I solve it horizontally. Firstly, we write the expression showing that we are adding these 3 algebraic expressions. See how we write. In first bracket, we'll write 7xy plus yz minus 3zx plus 2yz plus zx minus 5xy plus 2zx minus 3yz plus 4xy. So this is the first step, writing the mathematical expression showing that we are adding the given algebraic expressions. Now we separate the like terms, and whenever we are writing the like terms, we write them in a one association or between one bracket, and we do write all the like terms along with their sign. So firstly, I am writing xy terms all together in one bracket. So we have 7xy here, that is plus 7xy. In the second braces, we have minus 5xy. As I told you, we are writing all the terms with the sign only. So I write minus 5xy here. In the last one, we have plus 4xy. So I write plus 4xy. This way I have kept all the xy term in one bracket. Now again I write addition sign and I copy down the yz term along with their sign from all the 3 braces. That is plus yz. Here we have plus 2yz. And here we have minus 3yz. Now again we put addition sign and then we write the remaining, the last like term, that is minus 3zx. In the second one we have plus zx, and the last one we have plus 2zx. This way we have written all the like terms in the same group. Now in the first one, what is common? xy is the common factor. So we take it out. Now what we are left with? 7 minus 5 plus 4. Then we have addition sign. Then what is common here? yz. Now we write yz outside the bracket. And we write here. See, this yz has no number in front of it. Then when no number is there in front of it, then it is 1. So it is plus 1. It is plus 2. And then we have minus 3. Then again we put addition sign. And what is the common factor to all? That is zx. So we write zx variable outside the braces. Now we write the numerical coefficient along with the sign, that is minus 3. See, again it has no number in front of it, then it is 1 plus 2. Now we solve it. 7 minus 5 will give you 2 and 2 plus 4 will give you 6. Either you can write it directly, or if you want to include one more step, then you can write it this way. 1 plus 2, we copy down yz as it is. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 minus 3. Then we have zx. Minus 3 plus 1 give you minus 3. I write as it is. 2 plus 1 will give you plus 3. Okay. Then we have 4 plus 2 is 6xy plus 3 minus 3 is 0, then it is becoming 0 here. Minus 3 and again plus 3 will give it 0. As 0 into yz will give you 0, 0 into zx will give you 0. So what we write, what the answer is? Only 6xy. This is the answer. Hope everybody has understood how to add horizontally. Now we start with question number 3, sixth part. We are given with these three expressions and we need to add them. Now I'll tell you how to add vertically. See, we have 4z to the power 4 minus 7z cube plus 2z minus 5z square, and the last is the constant term, that is plus 3. So firstly we write any algebraic expression firstly. So we write it here. The highest power is 4, then we have 3, then we have 1. So we'll write for 2 power 2 wala term before, and then we'll write 2z. And the last we are going to write the constant. See, whenever we have algebraic expressions, we move descending order. That means we start from the highest power, then again a smaller power to it, then smaller power, and the last we write the constant term. Then how we write it? 4z4 minus 7z cube plus 2z. We'll not write plus 2z, we'll write after power 3, write power 2 term, that is minus 5z square. So we write minus, and this is 5z square. Then we'll write power 1 term, that is plus 2z, and the last we'll write the constant. So this way I have written the given mathematical expression in the descending order, and then I write the next expression. In the next one, how we write? We write the like term under the like term only. Now we have 3 plus 3z square. So I am going to write plus 3z square under z square wala term, that is plus 3z square. Then we have plus 4z cube. So I am going to write it under z cube, that is plus 4z cube. Then we have minus 2z to the power 4. So I write under it z to the power 4. So I write minus 2z to the power 4. Then we have minus z. So I write it under z. And then last we have minus 5. So I have written the like term under the like term. Then we write the last term. Firstly we have plus 3z cube. So I write it under z cube only, that is plus 3z cube. Then we have plus z square. So plus z square. Then we have minus z and minus 1. So I write minus z and minus 1. Okay student, the first thing is to write the like terms under the like terms in a correct way. Now what we are going to do? Addition. We are going to add all. Okay, so firstly I write the variable part. So it is z to the power 4. Now plus 4 and minus 2. What it will give you? 4 minus 2 will give you 2. Then firstly I write the variable, that is z cube. Now we have minus 7, and this is plus 4, and this is plus 3. Plus 3 and plus 4 will give you plus 7. Plus 7 and minus 7 will give you 0. So I write 0 z cube. Then it is plus 3. This is nothing, no number is here, then it is 1. 3 plus 1 will give you plus 4. Minus 5. Now minus 5 and plus 4. minus 5 and plus 4 will give you how much? It is minus 1. So we write minus 1 and z square. Now firstly I copy down z. Now this is no number is here, then it is 1. Here also no number, it is 1. 1 plus minus 1 and minus 1 will give you minus 2. And this is plus 2. Plus 2 and minus 2 will give you 0. So 0 z. Minus 5 and minus 1 will give you minus 6. Minus 6 and plus 3 will give you minus 3. And then we write the answer. This is the answer. Okay, children? The final answer is 2z to the power 4. As it is 0 z cube, so no need to write. Then we have minus 1 z square. So I write minus z square. No need to write 1. 0 into z will give you 0. So answer is 0 here. And we have minus 3 in the last. So this is the answer. Okay, children. Hope you have understood how to add vertically. Now we come to question number 4. Question number 4. They are saying subtract. So all the subtract this from this. So we have 6 parts. I'll do the 5th and the 6th part for you. First, you consider the 5th part. Subtract 1 minus x plus 2x square minus x cube from 2x cube minus x square plus 3x plus 2. Remember, children, whenever we are subtracting what expression, the first is important, write the expression correctly. And remember, whenever we are subtracting, whatever we have after the word from, whatever the expression is after the word from, we write that expression firstly, and then we write the expression whatever we have after the word subtract. Now we start with question number 4. First part, I'll tell you how to do horizontally. So from part I said we'll write it firstly. So I write the from part, that is 2x cube minus x square plus 3x plus 2. Subtract means minus. What we are going to subtract? 1 minus x plus 2x square and minus x cube. Firstly, we will change the sign because we have negative sign before bracket after the second term. So we write it the first expression as it is, 2x cube minus x square plus 3x plus 2. Now we have minus and this is plus. Plus and minus will give you minus 1. This minus and this minus will become plus x. This plus and this minus will become minus 2x square. This minus and this minus will become plus. So that will become minus minus plus x cube. Now what we will do, as we have done with the first expression showing that we are subtracting. Now what we will do, we'll write all the like terms in one bracket along with the numerical coefficient, and between the brackets we'll put the plus sign. So I write 2x cube, and where is x cube, another term, that is plus x cube here. So I write plus x cube. Now I'll write addition sign. Do not ask why, because once we have already subtracted, we can't subtract it now. Okay, subtraction is already done. Now we are just collecting the like terms between in the bracket. So we are writing plus sign over here. So after x cube, we'll write x square. We write minus x square here. And here we have minus 2x square. So we are collecting the like terms in one bracket. Then again I write plus. Then we have here 3x. And here we have only plus x. And in the last, after writing power 1, we write the constant. So we have plus 2 and minus 1. Okay, children. So after subtracting, the first expression shows that we are doing subtraction. Second step, we have changed the sign of all the terms inside the bracket of the second expression. And the third step, we are collecting the like terms in one bracket and we put addition sign between the brackets. 2 and plus 1 will give you 3x cube. Minus x square and minus 2x square will give you minus 3x square. Plus is here, so it becomes plus minus 3x square. We have 3x plus x, that becomes plus 4x. 2 minus 1 will give you 1. So this way we write the answer. Or you can include one step more over here, taking x cube common. So what you are left with? 2 plus 1. X square is common. Minus 1 and minus 2. X is common. 3 plus 1. And 2 minus 1 will give you 1. You can write one more step. So 2 plus 1 is 3x cube. Minus 2 and minus 1 will give you minus 3x square. 3 plus 1 will give you plus 4x. And this will give you plus 1. You can write one more step this way and then you can write the answer in the next step. Both the ways are correct. Now I proceed with question number 4, 6 part, that we will do vertically. Now we do question number 4, 6 part. How we do it vertically? We have, after the word from, we have 9x square minus 8xy plus 11y square. So firstly we write this expression, whatever we have after the word from. That is 9x square minus 8xy plus 11y square. Now we write this, the subtract term, that is 7x cube. See, in this one we do not have any cube term. I have copied question number 6 wrong. The from part I have written wrong. So I cancel out this and we will redo this question. I have written question number 4, 6 part again. So firstly, whatever we after the word from, we'll write that firstly. So I write 3x square y minus 2x cube plus y cube, and in last we have minus 5xy square. Then we write the subtract part. Subtract, we have 7x square. So we'll write 7x square under x square term. Do we have, it is not 7x square, it is 7x cube, children. So we write 7x cube under the x cube term. This is x cube wala term. So we write 7x cube with sign. 7 has positive sign. No sign is there, therefore it is positive. So I write plus 7x cube. Then we have minus 6x square y. Where is x square y term? This is the x square y term. So we write minus 6x square under the x square y term. Then we have plus 9xy square. So I write it in the last, that is plus 9xy square. And then last we have minus 2y cube. So I write minus 2y cube. So we have written the like terms under the accordingly. Now it is subtract. So we change the sign of each term written in the second line. So this minus 6x square is becoming now plus. We have to consider that sign of 6 is now plus. This is minus, so sign will change now. It will become minus. This is minus, so it will become plus. And this is plus, it will become minus. Why we are changing the sign, student? As we are subtracting, so on subtracting the sign gets altered or changed. Therefore, we are changing the sign of each term of the second expression. So now we do accordingly. Now we have 3x square. First I write x square y here. I copy down the common part. Then we have plus 3 and this 6 is plus now. So plus 6 and plus 3 will give you plus 9. Then I copy down x cube. We have minus 2 and this 7 is now minus. It is minus 7. Minus 7 and minus 2 both are having the like sign. So it will be added and we'll put the sign of greater number, that is minus. So 7 plus 2 will give you 9. So it becomes minus 9x cube. Now I copy down y cube. This is plus 1 and this is plus 2. Plus 1 and plus 2 will become plus 3. Now we copy down xy square. It is minus 5. It is minus 9. Minus 5 and minus 9 will give you minus 14. So this way we subtract horizontally. Hope you have understood the vertical subtraction. Now we proceed with the question number 5. Subtract the sum of the first and the second expression from the second. So firstly we are going to add the first two expression and then we are going to subtract that sum from the given expression. Now we do question number 5. Question number 5. First we will find the sum. So I write both the expressions for which sum we are looking for. The first expression is 4x square plus 7xy plus 3y square plus 1. And the next expression is 2x square. So I am adding vertically. 2x square. Then we have minus 5xy minus 2y square plus 8. Now we add these two. We are finding the sum. I copy down x square as it is. 4 plus 2 will give you 6. Then we copy down xy as it is. Plus 7 and minus 5 will give you plus 2. Then we copy down y square as it is. Plus 3 and minus 2 will give you plus 1. So we don't write 1, that is understood. Plus 1 and plus 8 will give you plus 9. So we have find out the sum. And this sum to be subtracted from 9x square minus 8xy plus y square. So now we subtract. I am writing the from part. Whatever we are written, what is given in the from part? 9x square minus 8xy plus 11y square. From this we have to subtract the sum. So I write 6x square under the square term plus 2xy under the xy term and plus y square under the y square term. As we know, we don't have any constant in the above term, so I write plus 9 as it is. Okay, children. Now we are going to subtract. For subtracting, we are changing the sign of each term. This plus 6 will become now minus. This plus will become now minus. And this minus plus y square will become minus y square. And this plus y 9 will become minus 9. I have changed the sign of each term of the second expression. Now we subtract. I copy down x square firstly. 9 minus 6 will give you 3. Now I copy down xy here. This is minus 8. This is minus 2. So it will become minus 10 y square plus 11, and this is minus 1. No number is there, then it is 1. So plus 11 and minus 1 will give you plus 10. Now this 9 has become minus 9. So this is the answer for your question number 5. Now we proceed with question number 6. What must be added to this to get 3x square minus 2x plus 6? Question number 7, the same way. What must be added to 4 minus 3x plus 9x square to get 3 minus 4x square plus minus x cube? Let's see how to write the expression and then solution. Question number 7. What must be added? So let, as already x is given in the question, so we take another variable. Let p is added. So p is added to, what is added to? It is added to 4 minus 3x plus 9x square to get. The moment they say get, you write is equal to. What we are getting? 3 minus 4x square minus x cube. This way I have written the mathematical expression, and now we are looking for the value of p. For getting the value of p, we transpose this term on the right side. So let's see how we transpose. P is equal to 3 minus 4x square minus x cube. Now this is plus. On transposing that side, it will become minus 4 minus 3x plus 9x square. Now we subtract them. 3 minus 4x square minus x cube. This plus 4 will become now minus 4. This minus and minus will become plus 3x. And this plus and minus will become minus 9x square. Now we are finding the value of p. I write the like terms in the bracket. The highest power is 3, which has no other term other than minus x cube. So I write minus x cube firstly. Then I write plus sign. Then we write for x square, that is minus 4x square, and minus next 9x square in one bracket. Again I write plus sign. Then we have plus 3x. Then we have 3 minus 4. So I have written the like terms together. Now we solve them. Minus x cube minus 4x square and minus 9x square will give you minus 13x square plus 3x plus 3 and minus 4 will give you minus 1. So we write the value of p now. It is minus x cube Plus minus will give you minus 13x square plus 3x minus 1. So we get the value of p. Question number 6 and 7 were of the same type. So I have done question number 7 for you. You can do question number 6 of your own now. Question number 8 and 9 again are of the same variety. I do question number 9 for you. Question number 9. What must be subtracted from a square plus b square plus c square minus 3abc to get 2a square minus b square minus 3 square plus abc? Let's see how we write the mathematical expression. Question number 9 now. They are saying what must be subtracted, as a, b, c is already given in the question. So I let another variable, let t is subtracted. Now we write the mathematical expression according to the given question. They are saying what must be subtracted from. So I told you firstly we write the from part. So I write after word from we have a square plus b square plus c square minus 3abc. Now what must be subtracted? So put the sign of subtraction. We let what is being subtracted? T. To get, and what we are getting? 7xy square. It is not 7x square by square. It is 2a square minus b square minus 3c square plus ab and c. Now we are looking for the value of t. So I transpose t on the right side and 2a square minus b square and minus 3 square plus abc on the left side. Okay. So what I do? A square plus b square plus c square minus 3abc, and I transpose this right side part on the left side with subtraction sign, that is minus. In the bracket we have 2a square minus b square minus 3c square plus ab and c, and I transpose this minus t on the right side. So we get the value of t this way. Now we subtract these two expressions. So firstly I open the bracket, and as we have before bracket we have negative sign, so we change the sign of each and term inside the bracket. So we copy down the first term as it is, first expression as it is. Now we change the sign. We have minus 2a square. This minus minus will become plus b square. This minus 3c square will become plus 3c square, and this plus abc term will become minus abc is equal to t. Now we write the like terms in the bracket, a square, and this is minus 2a square. Between the brackets we are going to put plus sign. This is b square and this is also b square. Then we have another bracket c square, and this is plus 3c square. And in the last bracket we have minus 3abc and minus abc is equal to t. So I have converted or collected all the like terms in the bracket. Now I take a square out. What we are left with? 1 minus 2. No number is there, then it is 1. B square taken out, then what is left here? 1 plus 1. C square taken out, then what we have left? 1 plus 3. And ABC is taken out, then what is left? Minus 3 and minus 1 is equal to t. Okay, we have implied 1 minus 2 will give you minus 1. That becomes minus a square, because 1 we do not write. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2b square. Plus 1 and plus 3 will give you plus 4c square. Minus 3 and minus 1 will give you minus 4 a, b and c is equal to t. We were looking for the value of t only. So this is the answer. So this way we have completed question number 9. Question number 10, they are saying subtract this from this. So you can subtract it very easily. If you have any queries, student, now do solve all the questions with all the subparts in your Fair Road book very neatly. You do it, and please maintain a proper gap between the terms so it becomes easy for you to solve it. So do complete exercise 12b. That's the end of the session. Have a good day.